if you want to enhance your Facebook security by removing old devices that are no longer in use, follow these simple steps to manage your account settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your Facebook account. Open your web browser or the Facebook app and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you are on the main page of your profile. Step 2. Access security settings. Navigate to the settings menu by clicking on the download arrow in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Step 3. Go to Security and Login. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Review active sessions. Under the Where Logged In section, you will see a list of devices currently logged into your Facebook account. Review this list to identify any old or unrecognized devices. Step 5. Log out of all devices. For any device you wish to remove, click on the 3 dots next to the device name and select Log Out. This will terminate the session for the device, ensuring it no longer has access to your account. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove old devices from your Facebook security settings, helping to keep your account safe and secure.